Pulling. I bought one of these for Lupita, and I wanted one. Kayla, ba? Wait, I help. Let me see, Kim. And now you put your brushes here.
I want to put one. Can I put this one? Nice. And it won't fall. Or you can move over to it.
You want to help, Minna?
Tried to keep my love out, my head down. Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. I hope that you guys are doing well and I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Today it was a super rainy day and we were all home. My husband couldn't go to work because of the rain, so he had been here for the past few days and we were just home friends. And I don't know about you guys, but for me it seems to be much more difficult to get things done when everyone is home. And yes, one of the reason is because you are attending everybody's needs, but also for me personally, I like to enjoy time with my family. And when I don't spend time with them when they're home, for some reason I get the mom guilt and I feel super guilty of not spending time with them or not playing with them, even though it's not like I don't play throughout the day. Like, I play with them but not all day. And for that reason, today it was like the third day that they had been home and we were kind of bored already. And in the morning an accident actually happened, friends. As you guys saw, my husband in the beginning of the clip, he was carpet washing the hallway and he had already done our room, and the reason being was because our toilet just overflowed. It didn't, like, it was not clogged and it was not dirty water. For some reason, like, the tank just kept running water, and it wasn't all night. We don't think so, because we had gotten up with the babies to like feed them and everything, and he was the last one that got up and he said, well, obviously the floor was not wet and he used the restroom and it was fine. So I don't know, something broke or something happened. They already fixed it, but the carpet is soaked. So he was using the carpet washer to just suck up all the water from the carpet, and hopefully it dries soon because it did get super wet. It even went all the way to like the entrance of the other living room, which is the playroom. So that woke us up around 4:30 in the morning. So we were up and early, and while cleaning the kids playroom, I found this paper that was for painting, and I really wanted to paint, friends. I wanted to paint all of us like in a family and just enjoy it. I enjoy painting a lot. It just makes me feel happy. It makes me feel less stressed and overall happy. So I really encourage you guys to do something that you guys enjoy, and just remember, we are moms, but we are ourselves as well, and we need to take care of ourselves in order to be the best moms we can be. So let's take care of ourselves, friends. And as you guys saw, my husband and I cleaned up. We finished painting. I was the last one because I don't know, but I like to take my time. I like to relax. So I was the last one. We did talk about our paintings, and then we enjoyed this delicious cheesecake that actually Isa made for us. I am so surprised at how good he's gotten in the kitchen, and I do supervise him. I did ask if he wanted my help and he said no, so I respected that. And I'm just happy that he's enjoying cooking and like trying new recipes. And I did decide to vacuum the kitchen because honestly, friends, I don't know if you know that, but my biggest pet peeve is feeling the kitchen floor or floors in general dirty. And as you guys know, we are barefoot in our house like 90% of the time, so I don't like it to be dirty. And with Caleb patrolling the floors all the time, we can't do that. And as you guys see, my husband was doing another pass in the carpet because it was still feeling really wet, so he was doing that. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, like I said, friends. And if you guys do, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're not already. I am just gonna take you guys through a really relaxed day of how we get things done when everybody is in the house. We're just getting everything done, but with everyone in here. So I hope you all enjoy the motivation.
Tried to keep my love out, my head down. Heavy is the heart that breaks. You hit me like a merry go round. All at once it was too late. I keep falling, falling, crawling back to you. If I'm honest, I want this. I got nothing left to lose. Come catch me if you can. I'm ready for it. Love is heavy, but baby take my hand. I'm ready for it. I've been running for my life, but I wanna call you mine. So just catch me if you can. Got a little too burned, too hurt. Last time I fell in this deep, but looking at you right now, I'm cursed to risk it all for everything. I keep falling, falling, crawling back to you. If I'm honest, I want this. I got nothing left to lose. Come catch me if you can. I'm ready for it. Love is heavy, but baby take my hand. I'm ready for it. I've been running for my life, but I wanna call you mine. So just catch me if you can. I've got up all my guards, and I've already made it this far without falling apart, tripping in the dark. But you make me wanna break my heart. Colors and sparks like never before. Baby, if you wanna call me yours, catch me if you can. I'm ready for it. Love is heavy, but baby take my hand. I'm ready for it. I've been running for my life, but I wanna call you mine. So just catch me if you can. I've been running for my life, but I wanna call you mine. So just catch me if
I
you
was
can.
only going to wash my shower, friends, and take a shower. That was my idea and my intentions. But I don't know about you guys, but for me, when I start cleaning, it's like the motivation kicks in by itself and you just don't want to stop cleaning. Right here, I started washing my sink, and then I was like, well, why am I not going to wash the tub? I washed the tub, and then I washed everything, friends. Like, I basically deep cleaned my restroom, but it happens, and I'm happy that it got done. So I don't know, let me know if that happens to you guys, because it definitely happens to me.
You sick of all the same dudes running up, follow you around, hope you fall in love, but they don't see you like I do. Yeah, yeah. All your friends, they see it too, that I'm the one who looks you in the eye, speaking like I mean it, what's inside. No, these others try and play their part, but I'm the one who made it to your heart. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough.
I had already taken my shower and I went into Isa's restroom to freshen it up. I wiped the mirror, washed the sink, cleaned the toilet, and vacuumed it. But while I was cleaning the mirror, I saw the biggest spider web, and then I remember that I hadn't dusted the ceilings on the house for a while, friends, because I was out of the Swiffers. And this thing is amazing. It's super long and I could reach all the ceilings, so I ended up dusting all the house except for the living room. My husband did that part.
See the way they staring, always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring, always on my mind, you know I need that love. You know I'm always one step ahead of you, holding open doors when you're walking up, 'cause they don't see me like you do.
After that, friends, we did have dinner, and my husband said he will clean the kitchen and wash the dishes if I folded the clothes. So that's what I did. It was like 3 laundry baskets worth of clothes that we were avoiding folding and putting away. I was watching some YouTube videos to get motivation. I hope that you guys got motivation from this video and got something done in your house. And if you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, friends.
See the way they staring.